What up, guys?
We are back in another Switch video, and we are gonna play Fortnite. But this time, smallest to biggest controller. And every death I get, I'm gonna make my controller smaller. And we have 4 controllers. Here, we'll show you. First, smallest.
This is the smallest.
Next is medium.
Medium.
Next is second medium. Next is large. And then we are gonna play Fortnite Battle Royale. Okay, I'm gonna start with this one because it's the biggest. Let me just connect it. And if you guys saw me in the game modes, that means we were just testing out 2 more controllers. They weren't working, so yeah. Fortnite Battle Royale, are you ready? Do-do-do-do-do. I gotta get ready. There we go. Everybody has to be Avenger skin. Everybody has to be Avenger skin. He's got the boom. I don't know if I have to plus those. Oh yeah. So guys, if you see me get knocked, that means I'm gonna switch controllers.
If you get knocked,
But if Ethan can get me, I'll go back to the next controller. Get off the camera. Okay, we're ready.
Fortnite Battle Royale. Let's have a dance party. Like Fortnite Battle Royale. Let's have a dance party.
Okay, guys. Where should we land?
Our first game, guys, we're gonna land the raft.
Battle Royale, are you ready? Ready. Give me spawn. I see him. Let's stay in the bubble. I am Black Panther. Wakanda forever.
Fortnite Battle Royale. Are you ready? Guys, we are gonna win this game. If we don't, then you guys can not subscribe. If we win or we get 10 kills, you guys have to subscribe. Like and subscribe.
If you guys
Box,
saw that other
Peace,
video
200.
with that gorilla tag, with that dog and kitty weird people, those are subscribers. So if you want to be in a video like that, then you just gotta subscribe.
Fortnite video with us, do you know what we should do? We should play OG Fortnite. There's an OG Fortnite game mode that I got.
If you guys haven't seen Reload in Fortnite, then you should go check it out. We may do a video.
Is that Emma Frost? Is that you, Jetpack? Can I have it?
There's definitely a kid on the other side.
Oh, there's a kid in the car. Dead?
Haha.
Hmm.
Bro, head good. Woo.
Oh, I thought those were cherries.
Come here.
Why?
Jeez.
What?
Blood had good loot. But he died with it, so too bad. Oh.
What?
I want the gloves.
Can I have your jetpack then, please?
I don't want the jetpack.
Are we gonna go fight Emma Frost for it?
Yeah.
2 kills on the board right now, just right that to me. Do people even subscribe at school, Joshua, or no? Who? Cameron? Does Gabe?
Yeah.
I do too.
Hey guys, we're going to play Animal
Shoot her in the leg.
That farm ammo.
Here, let's pop one, ready?
Strawberry fizzery.
You can pop the rest for me, bro. One.
Coming in. Got one.
Got 2.
Got two.
Got 3.
They don't let us pop strawberry even once.
Got 4.
Who thinks Fortnite should make the guards better? Me.
Here, come here.
Big pie.
Do you want a gatekeeper? It's better than a hammer, please. If we win this, will you be happy?
Yeah.
Well, that'll get a W controller for the rest of your life, right? If we win this.
I'll start digging.
Can I have your jetpack?
No,
Let's give you Iron Man shield.
I don't want it.
They changed the way that the Captain America shield looks now. Did you know that? Why? Womp womp.
Guys, if you haven't seen that quest of the Cybertruck,
Baby, ah, yeah, the
it's
tag.
right here.
What?
The G-Wagon turns into a Cybertruck.
Is that the quest? So if you guys ever see a G-Wagon, get in it and you have to drive 100,000 meters just to get the Cybertruck, guys.
Let's go rush it out.
Can I come? Let me get in. Let me get in your fancy ass Cybertruck. Fancy Cybertruck. kid. Get out, go. Box, go beast. 200 out of the air. Teammate.
Bro, he sprayed me with the stupid AR.
Oh, dead.
Get him. Oh, goodbye.
Don't you have to switch controllers? Can't do that.
Okay, let's do this.
Show 'em what controller we're doing now.
Okay, we're doing this glow-in-the-dark star one. And I forgot to connect it. There we go. Okay, switch controllers, guys.
This guy's cheating.
We're only gonna do 2 battle royale games.
No, we're not.
So yeah, guys, if you like this video,
Huh?
subscribe.
Bro, what? Can I just stay here, Joshua? Did he dip?
Did you take my check?
Yes, and I'm keeping it. Take that one. Joshua, be careful.
You missed.
That was a jetpack. 36 twice. Guy hiding in here. Ami! One shot! Shoot him!
There you go.
Other dude! Yes, that dude! Get in! Shoot him in the window! Go get me! Go inside! Come inside here.
But he's shooting me through the window.
Then go, dip. Come inside here! There's no one here! In here! Bro, just come! Come in here with me! Go in there! Go in there!
I'm gonna go up top.
Oh, give me. Thank you! Do you need a med kit?
No.
Yeah, I need it. They died. Here, I'm gonna take some shield bubbles, okay? Do you want me to split it with you? Take some. No, keep the jetpack. Drop the. I'll take them. You wanna go run watch some Adele over here?
Yeah.
He's resin. What? What? I can't shoot. I can't shoot.
Watch out.
Get inside. Right here. Dead. Dead. No, but NPCs did. 6 Flowberry. That was mine.
What was?
The med kit. I guess I'll take a turret. No, why? Why is it giving me?
Cars.
Where?
Oh, I hit it, and I hit the person in it. Come here.
No, wait. There's a launch pad here. I'm gonna glide towards it. I'm going in it. Wait, where are those medals? Oh yeah, there's a guy in it too. So low. In the water, in the water. You have a jetpack?
Yeah.
Get on me. He's super low. Dead.
Why is that car keep running? Just fight.
I don't know. I don't even know where they went.
They ditched the car.
They're probably still in it. Why did you do that by me, bro? If you do that, makes me take damage. That's why you did to me one time and it sold me. Are you coming here?
Shooting this way.
Medallions on me.
Putting on this big mountain soon. He's in the air.
Oh, me! These are the same kids!
Hit him. Hit him in the air.
I have to dip. I have to dip.
I will too. Oh my god, my jetpack. My jetpack, no. My jetpack! Feel! I found
37 white! Not!
Oh my
He's
god.
rising!
no feel.
He's whoa! The other guy's low! He's one shot!
Do not miss a chance.
He's one shot.
Where'd he go?
Dead!
Where's the gloves?
Huh?
Where's the gloves?
Right here. Here, fine. Fine, you can have them. Oh,
I'm dropping the captain.
yeah. Bro, I have 2 medal. Wait, where are all the mythics?
I don't know.
Do you have a mythic? No.
I only have the thing box.
Right here. Get out. Get in another car.
That car's out of field. Yeah, Turk, get him.
Go!
What? I exploded the car on him.
So did I. Oh, the car guy's on me. The guy that had the same car as before. That black car? You remember that? We need to get healed, bro.
Wait, is the video still going? Yeah. Okay, you gotta watch that. Oh, I see a car.
Wait!
I hit it. I hit it.
Oh, that black car?
Yeah.
I'm healing.
Stop running, stupid.
Come to me, come to me. Don't No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. He's trying to drive away.
You gotta go to zone.
He's driving in storm.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is.
Does he have medkits?
No.
I'm
Oh
popping.
my god, that's so funny.
Wait, that's crazy.
Oh, that sucks to suck. Ooh, cracked.
Hit by me. On me.
Coming.
On top, here. Cracked, dead.
I'm pretty sure that car guy is like going to be the last person. Oh, I see a kid running. He's marked.
Wait, didn't we tell your viewers if we get over 10 kills or something?
Yeah.
Yes! In a number 1 victory royale, Fortnite now we're about to get down. Get down 2 kills on the board right now. Just wiped out Tomato Town. Show them the victory royale screen, Joshua.
Victory Royale.
Victory royale.
Okay,
just
guys,
like
we're
that.
going to do one more until we get to the small controller.
2 kills on the board right now.
Because we
Just
don't
wiped
want
out
the video to
Tomato
be
Town.
long, but we also want to get all the controllers in. And if the video stops...
What controller are you doing now?
This one.
No, I thought we were doing this.
No, I haven't done with this one yet.
This is our last game. Joshua, just use this one.
No.
Use this one.
No. 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 And if this video ends, we will do a part 2.
Eminem's better. Eminem's better. Eminem's better.
Who's better, Drake or Eminem?
Eminem. Guess who's back? Back again. Shady's back.
Shady's back.
Guess who's back? Crown! Crown!
We already have everything. What's the point of it?
Baby, naughty ghetto. Are we gonna land the raft?
I leveled up only one.
You're 140 levels away from me.
Because Ethan grinds too much.
Oh, the tournament started. It's fine. I'm gonna tell you something in private after this video.
Hits a 160.
Nice.
Dead.
Nice. Getting loot. Are you ready for Fortnite Battle Royale?
Dead. Pretty sure they were partners. Behind you! Did
I'm
For
the
now. For now.
fine. For now, I'm the editor and cameraman.
What are you doing?
How do you get into the sewer?
There should be a new taxi.
You want to go fight Emma?
Oh my god, here comes the guards.
You shoot the guards, I'll shoot Emma.
Okay, I already sprayed her shit. So I got the guards. Ow!
Guard resin.
How is a guard res? Yeah, you can res guards. Guards can res each other.
At the start of this season, you could actually res guards and have them for they're your teammates. Did you know
They
that?
got rid of that.
Yeah, they got rid of it like 30 minutes before the season, or it got rid of it like an hour. Only
Because
you could only do it for like an hour or 2 hours.
they got rid of it because everybody was using them as a bunch of army.
Wasn't that? And you can only do it in like squads or something, and then they removed it.
And I didn't even try.
Yeah, I got to do it, and it got removed in like an hour. Actually, I'm not joking. Do you believe me? And then you said you didn't believe me when I said it did happen, when they did have it. Why is there a garbage resin, bro? Yeah, Shady's back. The only friend. Can I have that? I'll trade you shotgun.
No.
Bless you. The grapple blade was actually good back then when they had first season of Fortnite. We got bonus, huh? Oh my god, I thought that was someone jetpacking. Wait, Joshua, should we do like Fortnite update videos on Fortnite on your YouTube channel?
So guys, if you haven't seen the Marvel season, we did do a video of the Marvel season, but like it was a while ago, so they did have some updates to it.
And they added Day of Doom.
Which we will show you after this match. It's actually pretty fun.
And we'll still use the controllers.
Yeah.
And he might be able to become Dr. Doom. Guys, if we win this, you guys gotta like and subscribe. Back in
Again.
the comments.
Everybody who's watching right now,
Like and subscribe.
you have to if we win this next game. And we still have our crowds. So then you have to share this to all your friends. you would please subscribe.
Subscribe for we can live stream it
And
live.
then you can see us like doing live stuff.
For you guys can maybe stream snipe us.
Yeah.
We're fine with that. We'll just beat you.
We better than all of you.
Let's go get forecast. Kids over here. Actually, let's go get the kids.
You say you're better?
We're better. We got a win against some big.
Who's the king?
I'm the
We're
king.
the king.
You know I'll never back down. Never what? There's an A team at the top.
Also, guys, go subscribe to Nick A30.
And also,
Even
this
though
is
he likes keeping it friendly, still just go subscribe.
guys. This is the Joshua Friendly YouTube channel. Make sure to be friendly.
Goodbye. You know I'll never kill. You know I will kill everyone and everyone.
And the A team at the top. You know I'll never back down. Never what? The dreaming. The A. The Joshua clan. It's the Joshua A team. Let's go to zone.
Right zone.
Here, I'm gonna tell you something after we're done with this game. Or no, aren't we doing Day of Doom next?
Yeah.
Or should we do a separate video? Of the new Day
You
of
know
Doom?
what? Of Day of Doom, every time I die in Day of Doom, I will switch light controller every time because it is easy to die in Day of Doom.
And that will be part 2 of Fortnite Live today.
Because I'm pretty sure every time in Battle Royale, like you don't die much. But in Day of Doom, you die a bunch. Like, it's hard.
Are you coming, Joshua?
Yeah.
Use the jetpack glitch.
What's up?
It's where you use your jetpack a little bit and then you slide, and it makes you go super far. You gotta hover and you cancel. I'm going at the bunker. Okay?
Okay.
Look at his fancy car, guys.
Whee!
Oh, there's kids.
No, screw that car.
There's kids here.
G-Wagon. Cyber truck. Cyber truck.
Can you come?
Yeah. Whee! Okay, let me put on a song.
He's so bro. Do you have armored walls?
Oh yeah, guys, if you like funny,
Wait, do you have? Wait,
Yeah.
Joshua, do you have armored walls? Give me up.
Oh.
We're gonna trap them. No, wait, go lower. There's more space down here. Break this. Here, put him right there. Put the armor wall. Now, here, put a wall. Put it, and then put a stair. Do that.
Haha.
And then I'm gonna put this. Do it. Oh, they're screwed. Wait, do you have more?
No. But I could make it metal.
Yeah, make it metal. We're boxing them up.
Haha.
This is funny that we're doing a live stream at the same time when we're boxing people up.
We're doing a video while boxing this kid up. Wait, let's move his car. No, let's destroy it. No. Don't destroy the car. It'll destroy the materials.
Wait, they're trying to break out. Why did you box me?
I'm putting more boxes.
So am I.
No, they're still down there.
Yeah, I know, but they're trying to break out. I heard some breaking metal.
Well, now they know that they're stuck down there. So, yeah, they're
actually just sitting there. They're taking a seat, bro.
Wait, actually?
Wait, drop me the medal. You can see them. Do an emo. Drop it. Drop. Look at him. He's taking a seat down there.
Haha. Wait.
See, he's doing puppy love. Tell us don't to be puppy. Wait, I'm gonna go buy the bunker thing right here, and then I'm gonna emo with them.
Wait, don't worry, I got it.
Did you just turn on the lights? Who did? Wait, there's a medal. Wait, right here. There's a medal kid right here. Yes, Dr. Doom's gloves.
Yay!
Oh, I got more armored walls. I have
Oh, they're
4.
screwed.
Should I box them up more?
Yeah. They're screwed in there.
Wait, I'm gonna do the outside here. Break the bro, move this car.
I can't stop. No, just leave the car.
Well, they're gonna die to storm.
No, if they keep pickaxing, they'll pickaxe the car and explode.
Wait, look how much I boxed them.
Ethan, there's a medallion.
Wait, how is this not our wall right here? Oh, they're full box. Wait, I didn't box up the top.
Ethan,
Oh,
come. Wait. Medallion.
oh frick, I didn't box up the top.
Crack one. Oh crap.
Are you dead?
Almost.
Build!
Bro, they're stupid turret.
Who's low?
The guy with the turret. I kept spraying him with the Dr. Doom gloves. Shoot him.
He's a Captain America shield, bro.
I know, he kept blocking my stuff. Oh. Jeez, this video is 40 minutes long. You guys better watch the video to the end. The end. The end. The end.
Dead.
Nice. Wait, you killed the medallion?
Yeah.
Nice. Save my Dr. Doom gloves for you.
They are there. Should I go reboot you and take your
Wait,
crown?
mark it.
No, they're just by the crown there. Oh, those kids are dead this time.
Wait, that's my crown.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, wait, I forgot to switch controllers.
Switching controllers, guys, okay?
To the lightning one.
Should I actually see if those kids die this time?
Next controller. This one's kind of jacked up.
Here, I'm gonna go switch your crowns for you. Keep it.
It's gone.
No, it isn't.
Oh, wait, no, it's not.
Here, take mine. Wait, let's go see if those kids got
I
out.
gotta grab my loot again.
Oh, they got out!
No!
Right here, on the Porsche.
They're shooting me!
No, they're
Ethan,
not.
help!
There's kids on me, bro!
Ethan, what do you think? I spawned without my loot and this kid's just... Bro, stop spraying me! Nobody likes you. Now I have to downgrade already.
To the smallest?
Yeah. Can't get this one connected.
I can't get you, I'm sorry.
Okay, we're connecting it, guys. This thing feels so weird.
Do you show them which one you're using?
Here you go, guys. This one.
Say it's chunky.
It's wide, but the grips sound good. Next, we'll try doing Damn Doom with the other controllers. If we win this game, guys, you have to like and subscribe.
Wait, guys, there's a cave down here. Joshua, you remember the cave over here?
You guys remember the cave?
It's somewhere here. It's over here.
What's that sound?
Hmm?
That shooting.
There is no shooting.
Oh wait, that's me when I'm shooting.
Should I
Okay,
just go like...
clearly the cave's gone.
Hmm?
The cave's gone.
What cave? Oh, no, it's down here. More is up there. Yo. How did those kids get out of that cave?
That's crazy. We boxed it up a bunch.
Oh, but the top.
Oh yeah, I saw you put that wood piece there.
No.
Yeah, you did.
No, I put metal, but then I didn't put the armor for they couldn't get out. Unless they blew up the car and it did damage. Because the car was right there too. So.
But then it should have killed them.
If I win this just by keeping this, should I box myself
Guys,
out?
we have a beat right here. The ship that went to sea, the night when the ship was a million teeth.
Should I go back in the bush? Or should I hide behind this rock?
You should go kill them.
I can't.
Why?
Because. Yes. Well, it's a 2v1. Oh, yes! Did this just save my life? I might actually have to come down to a heal off Joshua.
Oh.
Oh, yes! It's a 1v1, Joshua!
Do you guys think Ethan's gonna win?
He's below.
Like if you think Ethan's gonna win, and subscribe if you think he's not. He missed all of his shots. So is the guy in the sky missing all of his shots? Oh, he hit one. So did Ethan. He's using Captain America shield.
Ow.
Crack. He's hit slow.
No. Yes! And a #1 victory royale. Fortnite now. We about to get down 2 kills on the board right now. Just wiped out Tomato Town. Back-to-back wins, guys. Yes,
I didn't even get to use the small controller. I guess I'll start with it of Damn Doom.
Bye, guys. We're gonna make a part 2. Bye.
Bye-bye.